Hi there, I'm Dave, and the channel is Harleys, Diners, Rides. And today's video finds us in Hawaii, the United States of all places, visiting our son and his lovely bride, Anna. So we're here for just under 2 weeks, and today I've rented a Harley-Davidson Road Glide 2020, and I'm going to be traveling as much as the island as I can. Unfortunately, it's an island, and as they rented the bike to me, they say it rains a lot, you know, from time to time all over the island. So we are going to do as much as we can, and hopefully be able to videotape a good portion of it. So anyway, today I am at Spencer's Beach, which is in the Kona district or area. Beautiful beach. We've been here with our grandchildren 3 times. Water is beautifully warm and refreshing, and today's temperature is 91 Fahrenheit, and not the ideal weather for riding a motorcycle. You know, the t-shirts get pretty wet, you know, right away. But we're going to do our best, and hope you enjoy our trip to Hawaii. And I understand there's some amazing roads to travel on this island. So anyway, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If you're planning to ride the Big Island, I can't recommend Big Island Motorcycle Company enough. From the moment I arrived, Dave and Big Mike made the entire experience easy, relaxed, and genuinely welcoming. You can tell right away that these are people who care about motorcycles and want customers to enjoy the island the right way. The bikes are well maintained and perfectly set up for a full day exploring the coast and the mountain roads. Pickup was straightforward, the orientation was thorough without feeling overdone, and they offered great local advice on routes, fuel stops, and scenic places worth taking your time at. What really stood out was how stress-free everything felt. No hard sell, no rushed paperwork, no surprises. Just friendly service and solid bikes ready to ride. That kind of professionalism matters when you're far from home and want confidence in your rental. Riding across the Big Island ended up being one of the highlights of the trip, and Big Island motorcycles played a huge part in that. If you want experience Hawaii on 2 wheels, this is absolutely the place to start. Also stick around for our upcoming videos as we share our rides across the Big Island. Well, thanks for joining us today as we start off our Big Island review. You know, it doesn't matter what age you are or what you ride. It's all about the freedom of the open road. So join us on our travels by subscribing to the channel. And as always, ride safe, be safe, and we'll see you soon. For Harley's Diners Rides, I'm Dave. Take care.